Hi, everybody. My name is Professor D'Souza, and welcome to Excel for Accounting and Business Environments. This is a cross-listed course between computer science and the accountancy department. So I wanted to give a quick introduction and welcome. This is a web course, so you'll be seeing me mostly on video, but I will also be offering bi-weekly, meaning every other week, optional labs in the new computer lab located in Deneen G36. More information on that will be posted in Blackboard. But I will be using videos extensively in this course. This is a welcome video, but I'll also have a video for each week and then also for the various exercises that we're going to be working through. Now, you will have a syllabus that will explain basics like how the grade works and kind of the learning objectives, but big picture, here's what you can expect. Each week, you're going to get a custom Excel file that I will have made. I've made it exclusively for you guys to learn Excel. There's no exams in this course. It's all skills building within the Excel environment. I recognize that each of you is coming into this course with various skill sets and various kind of experience levels within Excel. Some of you might not have touched Excel much at all. Others have used it in courses or maybe even at a job. So my hope is to give everyone the baseline that you need to come out of this course knowing kind of a good breadth and depth of Excel that will aid you in going into an internship interview or even maybe an internship or part-time or full-time opportunity where you can add value with this skill set. Just to give you a sense of my background and kind of how I want to kind of lead you through this course. I'm an accountant, I'm a licensed CPA, and I have a background working in what's called the Big Four public accounting environment. So I worked with clients and I helped clients, what I did for those clients is a lot of my work was in the Excel environment, building custom products within Excel. So I had to know Excel from basic formulas all the way up to kind of really intense VBA. And VBA, by the way, is Visual Basic for Applications. It's the programming language behind Excel and other Microsoft products. So I know a lot about this software. I really am encouraged by everyone who wants to learn it. And I just want you to know that I'm here to help you learn. And I don't want anyone to feel intimidated. And I really, really encourage questions. So it's a little bit about the course. You're going to learn more by looking in Blackboard. I will have other tutorials and other videos. You're going to see them on both TikTok and also YouTube. I just want to give you as many access channels as possible to helpful tutorials, and we'll learn together over the course of the next 8 weeks. More to come, but I look forward to learning with you in the weeks ahead. Thank you.